Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Shuttle XPC Barebone XH510G2 desktop. So friend, it has produced a 9.5cm flat mini-PC Barebone for lots of Intel Core processor of the 10th and 11th generation, which features 2 PCI Express slot. And friend, this means it can confidently compete directly with workstations from major manufacturers with a similar format. And friend, as its base area is only 25 into 20 cm, smaller than a sheet of A4 paper, and it fits almost anywhere. And friend, even the overall height of 9.5 cm is regarded as flat and provides plenty of space. And for example, Intel Core i9 processor, dual slot graphics card, 64GB of RAM and 3 drives. And friends, 2 PCI Express slot into 16 Gen 4, 1 into Gen 3 are suitable for standard expansion cards, and 3 M.2 slots, 2 into M.2 2280 and 1 into M.2 2230 are ideal for SSDs and wireless modules such as LAN. And friend, there is still always room for 2.5-inch drive, which can also provide many terabytes of memory. The front and back are DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0 into a Gigabit Ethernet, audio, 8 USB ports, and remote power on connection. You will also find further ports on long-range LAN antennas, VGAs, or COM port for shuttle range of accessories. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is retail price of €314. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.